What happens to freelancing when one person with an AI assistant can do the work that once required an entire small team? Imagine a freelancer at their laptop, AI generating content seamlessly around them. Automated design concepts and AI analyzing data with speed. A client reviews projects with ease. Digital tools work together in harmony while a freelancer watches traditional tasks become hands-off. AI could make freelancing more competitive, but also empower freelancers like never before. So, the question isn't simply, will AI replace freelancers? The more pressing inquiry is, which freelancers will learn to use AI? And what extraordinary capabilities will they develop? Today, let's explore what AI is changing, which freelance tasks are vulnerable, the unique skills needed, and how freelancers can leverage AI effectively. Freelancing has evolved time and again. Initially, freelance work was local. Then, the internet opened global marketplaces. Remote collaboration allowed freelancers to work with clients far and wide. Now, with AI, freelancers can operate like larger teams. AI assists with tasks ranging from research and drafting to coding and design. But tools alone don't yield results. Clients don't want AI-generated work. They seek more sales, clearer communication, and effective problem-solving. As AI will likely impact tasks more than entire professions uniformly, let's discuss which tasks may become automated. Examples include simple data entry, generic content drafting, basic image variations, and routine customer support responses. Imagine a client who previously paid a freelancer to organize information manually. Automation slashes this time substantially. But it doesn't spell the end for freelancers. Instead, the focus shifts to higher-value tasks involving strategy, quality control, and implementing solutions. When tasks become cheaper, freelancers must discover their next value layer. Now, envision a new kind of freelancer, the AI-augmented freelancer. This person doesn't rely entirely on AI but uses it to amplify their productivity. For example, a freelance marketer used to spend a day researching competitors. With AI, they now swiftly gather insights and summarize findings, using their judgment to build effective campaigns. AI becomes an assistant, supporting freelancers in delivering better outcomes. What skills should freelancers develop to complement AI? Strategic thinking helps decide which AI-generated possibilities work best. Strong communication ensures clear understanding of client goals. Industry knowledge adds wisdom to generic AI outputs. Problem-solving is essential for delivering solutions, while quality control guarantees accuracy in AI-generated results. Sales skills remain crucial for closing deals, while project management coordinates workflows. Lastly, taste and judgment become more significant as content generation becomes easier. Specialization may become a superpower. A generic freelancer may struggle to stand out in the crowded market. Consider two freelancers. One says, "I do digital marketing." The other states, "I help local dental practices turn website visitors into appointment requests." The second freelancer's clear value proposition positions them better. With AI simplifying generic production, specialized knowledge increases in demand. Niches could include healthcare, e-commerce, and professional services. The goal is to deeply understand specific customer problems. Emerging AI-powered freelance services will flourish. From AI workflow setups to content systems and data analysis, opportunities abound. Freelancers need to grasp the client's workflow and desired outcomes to thrive in these areas. As freelance business models shift, the client experience will also evolve. Traditional models charge hourly, but the emerging model focuses on delivering outcomes and solutions. A freelancer might say, "I manage a content system designed for your goals. moving from selling hours to packaging broader solutions. The one-person company concept becomes more feasible. Freelancers might harness AI for research, scheduling, content production, and more. Technology can help one manage increased workload without hiring immediately. This could lower operational barriers, but remember, more capacity doesn't mean instant growth in clientele. Trust, relationships, and quality still matter. AI may boost supply and create intense competition. Clients will have access to affordable AI tools, automated platforms, and in-house employees. So, why choose a freelancer? Key differentiators include speed of delivery, expertise in understanding client problems, trustworthiness, and accountability when things go wrong. What should freelancers do now? Here's an actionable plan. First, select one valuable skill to focus on. Next, choose a market with recurring problems that you aim to solve. Learn relevant AI tools and implement them in real projects. Develop a clear service offering that defines the problems you solve. Hone your sales and communication skills, as technical competence alone won't suffice. Finally, keep updating your skills to stay relevant. Returning to our opening question, will AI kill freelancing? The future likely won't be that straightforward. While some tasks may vanish and services might become cheaper, new opportunities will arise. The most successful freelancers will combine human judgment, specialized knowledge, AI leverage, and strong communication. As we conclude, remember, the future freelancer may not be the fastest worker. It could be the one who identifies the right problems to solve and utilizes technology to deliver superior solutions. If you want to understand how AI impacts business and the future of work, subscribe to Finance Flow.